Hello everyone, I am your friend Sarthak and welcome to the second video presentation of my VISUINO tutorial series. In this presentation, we will learn about the LCD displays using VISUINO software. Before actually starting the VISUINO software, I would like to show you the program which I made using normal IDE coding. This is the program for the LCD display which I made. You can see its output. Similar to this, I'll teach you how to do this in VISUINO software. Therefore, in this tutorial, what we learn about how to add your normal text in your LCD using this VISUINO software and how to add the custom characters and animation using VISUINO software in your LCD display. So, making our circuit in a VISUINO software, we type LCD. Here there are two types of LCDs available in the display option. First, the I2C LCD and the other one is simple one. I am using the simple one. You can use I2C also, there is no problem in that. So, connecting the pins according to the circuit diagram. So, in this, D4 is connected to 5, D5 is connected to 4, D6 to 3, D7 to 2. So, connecting D4 to digital pin 5, D5 to digital pin 4, D6 to digital pin 3, D7 to digital pin 2. Okay, and then connecting enable to pin 11 and then register select to pin number 12. Here you all may have noticed the fact that why we are not connecting the readrate to any of it. The reason behind that is here the readrate is connected to ground, so there is no need to show that in the VISUINO software. Okay, so all the connection is done. Now we want all the text fields to be displayed on our LCD screen. Suppose in column we need 2 columns, we need 2 rows because it's 16x2 LCD, so 2 rows. In the first row we'll display the text as hello friends. In the second we'll display it as subscribe. That's it. Our texting is done in the LCD. Now we will try and run the program in our arduino. Before uploading, friends, I think I made a mistake here. In the text field 1, I have selected the row 0. So I want the next text to be displayed in the next row. So I have to change the row here. So I'll change the row as 1. Now I think it's alright. Let's upload it. It's uploading. Yep. So our writing the text part in the LCD using VISUINO is done. Now I'll show you how to make custom characters in VISUINO to be displayed in the LCD. Suppose we want to display the text in the first row of our LCD and display a custom character in the second row of the LCD. For that, what we'll do, double click on the text field. Now we only need the first text field, so deleting the second text field, and instead of that, in the second row we want a custom character. So for that we'll do define custom character and custom character field. So in the text field, as I told you before, we can type anything. Suppose let's type arduino, right? And now the interesting thing starts. Now we want to define our custom character, that how should it look. Let's try to make a human. So as you will click on these three dots, a button with the symbol of three dots, a pixel editor will open in your screen. Using this pixel editor, you can draw any image which you want in your LCD. And the problem here is this pixel editor is of 8x8, but our LCD screen consists of only 8x5. So let's focus only on this. Okay, so let's try to make a human being here. One most important thing, friends, is to select a box, you have to press space and the box will be selected. Just remember it, you have to press space. I think it's looking like a human. That's it. We have made our custom character. Press on OK. And then just remember one thing. The custom character that we have drawn is the first one. So its index should be 0. And in the same thing, custom character field, it should contain the same index. Yes, the index should be 0 only. Suppose if we want the next custom character, the index of both of the defined custom character and custom character field should be 1. Okay. So in the custom character fields, the index is 0 because the custom character's index is 0. In the custom character field, we will define which position we want our custom character. So it should be in row 1 and column number, let's say 7. Okay, so we are done here. Now let's upload the generating the Arduino code. This is the code. Now uploading it to the Arduino board. Successfully uploaded. Now let's see the output. Yes, we are done. That's it, friends. So in this tutorial we have learned how to write text and how to show custom characters in the LCD display using the VISUINO software. More VISUINO tutorials are on their way, and if you want a tutorial of any specific sensor or a display, please mention it, and for any doubts and any suggestions, please leave a comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching.